Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Amin. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh to all my dear students. Welcome to online classes. This is your Understand Quran class, and the lesson is lesson number 3b about attached nouns and pronouns. Before this lesson, we have talked about the detached pronouns, which were huwa for he, hum for they, anta for you, singular, antum for you all, ana for me, I, and nahnu for we. Those were the pronouns which are used in Arabic language in detached form. Now we will talk about the attached pronouns and some of the nouns. For example, because we are talking about the attachments, so here will be the nouns and pronouns which are attached together. Okay, specifically the pronouns which will be used in Arabic language as an attachment with the noun. So these are also 6, as we have learnt about the detached pronouns. So in the place of huwa, it will be hu. For whom, it will be hum. For anta, it will be ka. For antum, it will be kum. In the plural form of second person. And for first person, instead of I, it will be ya with kasra, and we will pronounce it yi. And for nahnu, we will say na. Okay? Now we are talking about the meanings of them. Let's see. Who means his, singular, third person. Whom or him means their, plural of third person. Now talking about the second person, so the singular is ka, your, and the plural is kum, your, means relating to all of you. In the first person, singular will be ye, my, and na, plural, our. As we have talked about the detached pronouns in the previous 2 lessons, that those 6 words, those 6 detached pronouns are used or occur in the Holy Quran for 1295 times, or you can say 1295 times. Okay, so it means if you learn those 6 detached pronouns, you have learned approximately 1295 words, mashallah. Now as we are talking about the attached pronouns, so let's see how many times they occur in the Holy Quran. So these attachments occur in the Holy Quran almost 10,000 times, mashallah. For example, the word Rabb occurs 970 times in the Quran. So if we are practicing this single word Rabb with these 6 attached pronouns, we will be able to understand the 970 attachments in the Holy Quran, mashallah, and say Alhamdulillah for this great opportunity that Allah has given us this opportunity to understand the Quran in such an easy way, mashallah. Now going towards the examples. In this lesson, we have 3 examples for the nouns attached to the attached pronouns, right? First one is the word Rabb, which we have talked right now about, which that it is occurring in the Holy Quran for 970 times in the positions of attachments. Let's see. In the third person with singular who, we will say Rabbu hu. his Rabb. And there are two shapes of this ha for singular third person, whether it will be who or it will be he. So the example will be Rabbuhu or Rabbihi, and the meaning will be same in English language, his Rabb. The second thing, in third person, the plural will be hum or him, with dhamma or kasra, pesh or zair, there. And the example will be Rabbuhum, Rabbihim. The meaning is their Rabb. All these will be practiced through the TPI. If you try it, it will be better for understanding and memorization. The second person, singular ka. And the example will be Rabbuka, your Rabb. And in second person, the plural will be kum, your. And the example will be Rabbukum, your Rabb. What about the first person? So, the pronouns are ye and na. So, example will be Rabbi, my Rabb, na, Rabbuna, our Rabb. I think you can do it with the TPI now. When you will say Rabbuhu, you will indicate towards your right side with your right hand and the forefinger. Rabbuhu, his Rabb. And when you are going towards the plural of third person, you will indicate with the four fingers, all four fingers of your right hand towards your right side and make the 90-degree angle of your shoulder. Rabbuhum, their Rabb. And now you are going to indicate the second person of attached pronouns. You will indicate with the forefinger of your right hand towards your front. Rabbuka, your Rabb. And the plural will be Rabbukum with the four fingers of your right hand towards your front. For example, I am talking to you and you are the student sitting in front of me. And I am indicating Rabbukum, your Rabb. So I will indicate with the four fingers of my right hand towards you all. Rabbukum, your Rabb. And what about the first person? So, Rabbi, my Rabb. Indicate with the forefinger of your right hand towards your own self. And put your forefinger of your right hand on your chest and say, Rabbi, my Rabb. And the plural will be with four fingers of your right hand towards your own self. And put your fingers on your chest and say, Rabbuna, our Rabb. Now repeat after me. Rabbuhu, his Rabb. Rabbuhum, their Rabb. Rabbuka, your Rabb. Rabbukum, your Rabb. Rabbi, my Rabb. Rabbuna, our Rabb. Perfect. And the next example is Deen. What's the meaning of Deen? The way of life. And there is another meaning of Deen which we have learned in the previous lesson. That was the Day of Judgment. Or you can say the judgment only. So example will be Deenuhu, his Deen. Deenuhum, their Deen. Deenuka, your Deen. Deenukum, your Deen. Deeni, my Deen or my way of life. Or you can say Deenuna or Deen. This is the second example for the attached pronouns. And the third example for this, Kitab. Kitab means book. Okay? Any book. This is called book, Kitab in Arabic language. Kitabuhu indicate with the TPI. And you know it. Kitabuhu, his book. Kitabuhum, their book. Kitabuka, your book. Kitabukum, your book. And the meaning you can know it better by the pronouns ka and kum. Ka is for second persons singular and kum is for second persons plural. Right? Okay, perfect. Going towards the first person. Kitabi, my book. Kitabuna, our book. And all you have to do is the practice of these examples and any other example. For example, you have a pen, and pen is called qalam in Arabic language. So make the table of attached pronouns with qalam and stand in front of your mirror or in front of your family and start practicing it with the help of TPI. It will be beneficial for you for memorizing these attached pronouns that will lead you to understand the Holy Quran while recitation on daily basis, inshallah. Now we are going to talk about the homework. For this, you have to open your workbook. This is page number 8. Just fill all the blanks according to the directions and as we have done. After completing this page, just open your notebook and make the tables of these two words, qalam and ism, with all the 6 attached pronouns. That's all. Take care. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.